We have our workout clothes. Let me go take this little guy for a walk. And how's everyone doing today? I feel like, well, if I was working on a regular day, I would usually, on a regular day, before quarantine, I would be getting ready for work at this time. So, this is my usual wake up time. Do you guys usually wake up early or around 7, 8 o'clock in the morning to get ready for your day, or do you wake up later? So yeah, we're just walking this little guy so he get his stuff done. Come on. Anyway, I'm so hungry. My stomach's like, please feed me, please feed me. I'm like, give me a minute. I have responsibilities that I have to take care of first. You know how sometimes you're like thinking of what to say next and you're like, and it's just like hard not to say, So far, I think I've said, like 4 times. But yeah, for hiking, I'm gonna see if I have some oatmeal or cereal, something light, and something not too heavy. There's the again. And again. So we're gonna go to the watchung reservation and walk around. Hi everyone, so we're in the hiking trail in another part of the watchung reservation, and there's my sister and my boyfriend and all the pretty trees, and we just saw what's it called, some fires that were like bonfires. And it smells so fresh, it smells so nice. And there's like a little staircase. So right now, my boyfriend's trying to build a tent with sticks. So let's see how that goes. And now my sister and I are looking for worms. Why are you killing me this for? That's not nice. We're in it. There's a rock there. Oopsies. I think it's gonna be a minute before it's done. Bro, you're wasting your water.
Like little like rocks that kind of look like bowls and you pretend to eat it.
Did you ever eat mud?
No. Well, maybe by accident because I fell in mud, like in soaking wet mud.
It'd be so bad if we tasted this right.
I mean, if you spit it out right away.
Never mind, forget that.
Do it.
No.
Just a little.
No.
You only live once. Come on, I did it. Just do it.
I have no proof that you did it.
I do have proof. Like, it tastes weird.
No, I'm
just
good.
spit it out.
I'm good.
Do it.
No, I'm good.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try mud for the first time in my life. It looks like poop. See what that tastes like. It tastes like nothing.
I told you.
It tastes like nothing. But it looks like poop. Mmm, yum, mud. He's maybe not gonna find one. Shut up, sorry. So right now we're at McDonald's. We're gonna get some food.